Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take TEAS 7 biology practice test. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. What is the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ER? Protein synthesis. B. Lipid synthesis. C. DNA replication. D. Cellular respiration. Answer. B. Lipid synthesis. Rationale. The smooth ER is involved in the synthesis of lipids, metabolism of carbohydrates, and detoxification of drugs. 2. Which of the following is a characteristic of active transport? A. Movement from high to low concentration. B. Requires energy, ADP. C. Does not require a membrane protein. D. Moves water molecules. Answer. B. Requires energy, ADP. Rationale. Active transport requires energy to move molecules against their concentration gradient. 3. What type of bond forms between two water molecules? A. Covalent bond. B. Hydrogen bond. C. Ionic bond. D. Peptide bond. Answer. B. Hydrogen bond. Rationale. Hydrogen bonds form between water molecules due to the polarity of the water molecule. 4. Which of the following molecules are the building blocks of proteins? A. Nucleotides. B. Amino acids. C. Fatty acids. D. Monosaccharides. Answer. B. Amino acids. Rationale. Proteins are made up of long chains of amino acids. 5. Which process converts glucose into pyruvate, producing ADP in the absence of oxygen? Fermentation. B. Glycolysis. C. Krebs cycle. D. Electron transport chain. Answer. B. Glycolysis. Rationale. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm and breaks down glucose into pyruvate, producing ADP without requiring oxygen. 6. Which structure contains the genetic material in a eukaryotic cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. B. Nucleus. Rationale. The nucleus houses DNA, the genetic material of eukaryotic cells. 7. Which of the following is a function of the large intestine? Nutrient absorption. B. Water absorption. C. Protein digestion. D. Fat breakdown. Answer. B. Water absorption. Rationale. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter. 8. Which process allows for genetic variation in meiosis? A. Crossing over. B. Cytokinesis. C. Mitosis. D. Transcription. Answer. A. Crossing over. Rationale. Crossing over occurs during meiosis 1, exchanging genetic material between homologous chromosomes, leading to genetic variation. 9. Which of the following best describes an enzyme? A. Lipid molecule. B. Protein catalyst. C. DNA segment. D. Carbohydrate source. Answer. B. Protein catalyst. Rationale. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed. 10. What is the complementary strand of DNA for the sequence ACGT? A. TGCA. B. GCAT. C. ACDG. D. AGTC. Answer. A. TGCA. Rationale. The complementary base pairing rule is A with T and C with G. 11. Which of the following is true of viruses? A. They are considered living organisms. B. They can reproduce independently. C. They require a host to reproduce. D. They are made of only RNA. Answer. C. They require a host to reproduce. Rationale. Viruses cannot reproduce on their own and must infect a host cell to replicate. 12. Which molecule is primarily responsible for catalyzing the replication of DNA? A. RNA polymerase. B. DNA polymerase. C. Ligase. D. Helicase. Answer. B. DNA polymerase. Rationale: DNA polymerase is the enzyme responsible for synthesizing new DNA strands during replication. 13. What is the end product of transcription? A. DNA. B. RNA. C. Protein. D. Lipid. Answer: B. RNA. Rationale: transcription is the process by which a segment of DNA is copied into RNA. 14. Which of the following is not found in RNA? A. Adenine. B. Thymine. C. Uracil. D. Cytosine. Answer: B. Thymine. Rationale: thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. 15. Which of the following types of RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosome? A. tRNA. B. rRNA. C. mRNA. D. siRNA. Answer: C. mRNA. Rationale: messenger RNA, mRNA, carries the genetic information from DNA to the ribosome for protein synthesis. 16. In which phase of mitosis do sister chromatids separate? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer: C. Anaphase. Rationale: during anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell. 17. Which of the following best describes an autotroph? A. An organism that produces its own food. B. An organism that consumes other organisms. C. An organism that decomposes dead matter. D. An organism that reproduces asexually. Answer: an organism that produces its own food. Rationale: autotrophs, such as plants, make their own food through processes like photosynthesis. 18. Which is the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain of cellular respiration? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water. C. Oxygen. D. Glucose. Answer: C. Oxygen. Rationale: oxygen is the final electron acceptor, combining with electrons and protons to form water. 19. What type of bond holds the two strands of DNA together? A. Covalent bonds. B. Ionic bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Peptide bonds. Answer: C. Hydrogen bonds. Rationale: hydrogen bonds between nitrogenous bases hold the two DNA strands together. 20. Which process involves the conversion of DNA into RNA? A. Translation. B. Transcription. C. Replication. D. Mitosis. Answer: B. Transcription. Rationale: transcription is the process by which DNA is copied into RNA. 21. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis in plants? A. Mitochondria. B. Ribosome. C. Chloroplast. D. Lysosome. Answer: C. Chloroplast. Rationale: chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and carry out photosynthesis. 22. What is the primary function of the ribosome? A. Energy production. B. Protein synthesis. C. DNA replication. D. Lipid synthesis. Answer: B. Protein synthesis. Rationale: ribosomes are responsible for translating mRNA into proteins. 23. What is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system? A. Glial cell. B. Neuron. C. Synapse. D. Dendrite. Answer: B. Neuron. Rationale: neurons are the basic units that transmit nerve impulses. 24. Which phase of the cell cycle is the cell in when it is not dividing? A. M phase. B. Interphase. C. Prophase. D. Telophase. Answer: B. Interphase. Rationale: interphase is the phase when the cell grows and carries out normal functions without dividing. 25. What molecule provides the energy for cellular processes? A. DNA. B. ADP. C. Glucose. D. RNA. Answer: B. ADP. Rationale: adenosine triphosphate, ADP, is the primary energy carrier in the cell. 26. Which organelle is known as the suicide sac of the cell, digesting and breaking down waste? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Lysosome. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: C. Lysosome. Rationale: lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste material and cellular debris. 27. Which of the following is not part of the endomembrane system? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Lysosome. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: C. Mitochondria. Rationale: the mitochondria are not part of the endomembrane system, which includes the Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes. 28. Which term describes the cell membrane's ability to allow some substances to pass while blocking others? A. Permeable. B. Impermeable. C. Semipermeable. D. Non-permeable. Answer: C. Semipermeable. Rationale: the cell membrane is semipermeable, allowing selective molecules to pass. 29. Which of the following is produced during transcription? A. mRNA. B. DNA. C. Protein. D. ADP. Answer: A. mRNA. Rationale: transcription produces mRNA, which carries the genetic message from DNA to the ribosome. 30. Which molecule serves as the energy currency of the cell? A. DNA. B. Glucose. C. ADP. D. Protein. Answer: C. ADP. Rationale: ADP, adenosine triphosphate, stores and transfers energy within cells. We have come to the end of the quiz. How many did you score? Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.